The recent outbreak of monkeypox has caused worry worldwide. People are seeking ways to protect themselves. Black seed oil is one such remedy. Could it help with monkeypox? This video will explore its potential benefits and limitations. Always consult a healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment. Monkeypox is a viral disease. It can spread from animals to humans. It can also spread between humans. The virus is transmitted through close contact with an infected person or animal. Contact with contaminated materials, like bedding, can also spread the virus. Symptoms of monkeypox typically appear within 1 to 2 weeks after infection. The most recognizable symptom is a distinctive rash. This rash often starts on the face and spreads to other parts of the body. Other symptoms include fever, headache, muscle aches, back pain, swollen lymph nodes, chills, and exhaustion. While monkeypox is usually mild and self-limiting, complications can occur. These complications are more common in individuals with weakened immune systems. If you suspect you may have monkeypox, it's essential to seek immediate medical attention. Prompt diagnosis and treatment can help manage the symptoms and prevent the spread of the virus. Black seed oil comes from the Nigella sativa plant. This plant is native to parts of Asia, the Middle East, and Southern Europe. For centuries, people have used black seed oil for its potential health benefits. It contains a compound called thymoquinone. Thymoquinone is believed to be responsible for many of the oil's therapeutic effects. Studies suggest that black seed oil may have several properties that could be beneficial against viral infections like monkeypox. These include some research indicates that black seed oil may possess direct antiviral effects, potentially inhibiting the replication of certain viruses. This property could be relevant in the context of monkeypox infection. Black seed oil is thought to boost the immune system. This means it may help the body fight off infections more effectively. A robust immune response is crucial for combating viral infections like monkeypox. Inflammation is a natural part of the body's immune response, but excessive inflammation can be harmful. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties might help reduce the inflammation associated with monkeypox, potentially alleviating symptoms like skin lesions and swelling. Section 4. Potential benefits of black seed oil for monkeypox. While research on black seed oil and monkeypox is limited, some studies suggest potential benefits. First, immune modulation. Black seed oil may enhance immune responses, potentially aiding in fighting off the monkeypox virus. A robust immune system is crucial for combating viral infections. Next, anti-inflammatory action. It could help reduce inflammation associated with monkeypox lesions and skin rash. And lastly, antiviral properties. Some studies suggest black seed oil may have antiviral activity, but direct research on monkeypox is limited. It's crucial to emphasize that these potential benefits are based on limited research, and more studies are needed to confirm these effects specifically for monkeypox. Section 5. Using black seed oil safely and effectively. If you're considering using black seed oil, consult your doctor first. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and form for your needs. Black seed oil is available in various forms, including oil, capsules, and topical creams. The dosage and method of administration vary depending on the form and the condition being treated. When using black seed oil, start with a low dose and gradually increase it as tolerated. This helps minimize the risk of potential side effects. Common side effects are generally mild and may include upset stomach, diarrhea, or skin irritation. However, it's essential to be aware of potential allergic reactions. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Section 6. The importance of conventional treatment and prevention. While black seed oil shows promise as a potential complementary therapy for monkeypox, it's vital to remember that it's not a proven cure. Conventional medical treatments, such as antiviral medications and supportive care, remain the primary approach to managing monkeypox. Prevention is always better than cure. Practice safe sex, avoid close contact with infected individuals, and maintain good hygiene to reduce your risk of contracting monkeypox. Vaccination is also available for those at higher risk. Section 7. Conclusion. Black seed oil is a traditional remedy with a long history of use for various health conditions. While preliminary research suggests it may have potential benefits for managing monkeypox symptoms due to its immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties, more research is needed to confirm these effects. It's crucial to approach black seed oil as a complementary therapy and not a replacement for conventional medical treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional for diagnosis, treatment, and personalized advice on using black seed oil safely and effectively. Stay informed about monkeypox, follow public health guidelines, and prioritize your health and well-being.